Okay, now object converts array into objects, pass either a single list of key values or key values, sorry, pairs, or a list of keys and list of values. Passing by pairs is the reverse of pairs. This is another function. If duplicate key exists, the last value wins. So I think this one it's really easy as well. So in this example, they passed a list of keys or just a list, and here a list of values. So at the index 0 here will correspond to the index 0 here. So this is the key, this is the value, as you can see. And it will return an object. And this example, they just return a list of key pairs. So the index 0 contains another array that have this value as the key and this value as the value for that key, like this. So this one is easy. So I have their example here. So let me run it. Some more objects. We have the same object twice, which makes sense. Yeah, this is as key pair. This is two lists. Okay. So now I have const object2 will be equal to a function that accepts a list and values. So by default, what I will do, for now I'll assume that you passed an array of pairs, an array of pairs, key value, like this. So what I will do, I'll just return list dot reduce. Did I type that correctly? Yeah, dot reduce. So previous and current. I will just return an object, and I will start from an object. If you want directly to return an object, to make it to use the implicit return, so you can't just type this because this is the body of the object. You can wrap it in parentheses. This will make it an expression, and now you can return an object. So what I will do, I will just save the previous iteration value like this, and now I need to put the current of index 0 as the key. Oops. So dynamic key, and the value will be the current of index 1. But there is a better way to do it by destructing this. I know this is an array, so you can put an array here. So current key, this is the index 0. Now the current val, this is the index 1. So this would be like this, and this would be the current key, like this. I think that's it. So let's try it for this one. Okay, so I'm passing a key value pairs. So run it. This is our result. Now, if in case you pass the values, which means you pass something like this, you pass two lists. So I will just map. So if values, I will map list. So list.map key and the index. So key is the current value in the list. I will just return a pair inside an array. So the key here, the original value in the array, for example this one, and the value will be the corresponding value from the second list, which is the values in the same index. So values for index I. So as you can see, this code assumes that you passed the arguments correctly. Theirs as well. So that's basically the idea. We can test it now. So I'm just, if you have values, I will convert it to something that this will work on it. So I don't have to rewrite everything. And this will be object 2. We should see 4 objects are completely the same, which is correct. And that's it.